BINI just dropped a mysterious post on their official social media, and it's already sending fans into full speculation mode. The post simply says, Araw gabi naalala, along with the date October 2nd, 2025. Now, a lot of fans believe this could be a teaser for an upcoming new Tagalog song, possibly their next single or even part of a bigger project. The phrase itself feels very romantic and emotional, which makes everyone curious about what sound or vibe BINI will bring this time. Some are saying it could be a ballad, while others think it might be another heartfelt anthem. With their recent streak of hits, Blooms are now watching closely for what happens on October 2nd.
Ito na yun talaga! So, kakapost pa lang ng BINI sa official account nila at mukhang teaser ito for something. At sure ako, ito na talaga yung Tagalog comeback nila. Araw gabi naaalala. October 2, 2025! Mama ko, ito na yun talaga! Promise, alam ko ito na talaga yun. Hindi pa ako ready! Wala na, ngayon palang favorite song ko na to.
Ano to? BINI? BINI, ano to? Araw gabi na alala. October 2. Ano to? It's starting!
BINI Tagalog songs are back na nga ba talaga? So may pinost sila na parang envelope na may letter. For me, feeling ko, eto na ata yung new song nila na ilalabas. At i-reveal nila yan sa October 2. And sa taas, Bloom, so yung date. Based din to sa post caption nila, nakalagay, araw gabi naaalala. And alam nyo naman, sa totoo lang, nakakamiss talaga yung Tala Arawan album, di ba? Yung Salamin, Pantropiko, Carrera, Diyan Ka Lang, Nandito Lang, tsaka huling Cha-Cha-Cha. Yung mga ganong type of songs na kanta talaga ni BINI, yun talaga yung isa sa mga pumatok sa atin eh. Aminin nyo. Sana talaga ito na yung mga hinihintay nating Tagalog songs ni BINI. Dahil for sure, maririnig natin yan sa BINIfied. So abangan na natin to, Blooms. Let's go, nakaka-excite. Maganda to. Matic.
So, what do you think? Is it BINI's next Tagalog single? Or could it be part of a bigger surprise like an album drop or even a music video? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.